Video games have had a significant impact on society, culture, and individuals. They have become a popular form of entertainment, enjoyed by people of all ages around the world. While some may view video games as a mere source of leisure, they have a far-reaching influence that extends beyond entertainment. One of the positive impacts of video games is their ability to promote skill development and cognitive abilities. Many video games require problem-solving, strategic thinking, and quick decision-making skills. Players are often faced with complex challenges that require them to analyze situations, devise strategies, and adapt to changing circumstances. These cognitive skills can be transferred to real-life situations, enhancing problem-solving abilities and critical thinking skills. Video games also have the potential to foster creativity and imagination. Many games provide players with the opportunity to create and customize their own characters, worlds, and storylines. This encourages players to think creatively, develop their own narratives, and express their unique ideas. Game design and development also require creative thinking, as designers must create engaging and immersive experiences for players. Furthermore, video games offer a platform for social interaction and connection. Online multiplayer games allow players to collaborate, compete, and communicate with others from around the world. This can lead to the formation of friendships, teamwork, and the development of social skills. Video games can also serve as a common ground for people with shared interests, creating communities and fostering a sense of belonging. Video games have also been used as educational tools. Many games are designed to teach specific skills or subjects, such as language learning, history, or problem solving. These educational games can make learning more engaging and interactive, helping students retain information and develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Video games can also be used in therapy and rehabilitation to improve motor skills, cognitive abilities, and enhance mental well-being. However, it is important to acknowledge that video games can also have negative impacts. Excessive gaming can lead to a sedentary lifestyle and physical health issues, such as obesity and musculoskeletal problems. It is crucial to maintain a balance between gaming and physical activity to ensure overall well-being. Additionally, excessive gaming can lead to addictive behaviors and negative psychological effects. Some individuals may become obsessed with gaming, neglecting other aspects of their life, such as work, studies, and relationships. It is important to approach gaming responsibly and set boundaries to maintain a healthy balance. In conclusion, video games have a significant impact on individuals and society. They promote skill development, cognitive abilities, and creativity. Video games can facilitate social interaction, provide educational opportunities, and serve as therapeutic tools. However, it is important to be mindful of the potential negative impacts and ensure responsible gaming practices. Overall, video games have become an integral part of modern culture, offering entertainment, learning opportunities, and a means of connecting with others.